There are several mathematical operations available to work with arrays in AppMaster.io. You can find them inside of the Math section under Functions. For each one of them, there is a float and integer version, depending on which type of array you have. Let's look at each one of them one by one. First of all, we have max, and this one returns the maximum value inside of the array. As an output, we'll get the value itself, and then the index, the position of this element inside of the array, starting at 0. Then we have min. This one returns the minimum value, and again, its index. After that, we have mean, and this essentially is the average of all the elements inside of the array. For both integer and float arrays, we'll get, as a result, a float value. Lastly, we have median, and this is the middle element of the array. In case that there is an even number of elements inside of the array, for example 6, we'll get an average between the middle two elements. For example, in the case of 6 values, it will be an average between element number 2 and element number 3, starting at 0.